Juice it, Alan Shepard ordered Stuart Roosa. The two ships rocked on impact, but the capture light finally lit up. After a 40-minute weather-related hold, Apollo 14 lifted off on January 31, 1971. Alan Shepard, the first American in space during the Mercury era, was commander. Stuart Roosa, a former Forest Service smoke jumper, was the command module Kitty Hawk pilot. Edgar Mitchell would pilot the lunar module Antares. Mitchell had begun flying airplanes over Artesia, New Mexico, although illegally, when he was just 14. Watching crop dusters piqued his interest in aeronautics. Before heading moonward, Kitty Hawk and Antares had to dock. The first 5 attempts failed. The maneuver was burning through necessary fuel before engineers and mission control recommended coming in fast and hard. Shepard declared, "Juice it." The 6th and final attempt before the mission would likely be scrubbed worked. 2 hours late, the astronauts were finally moonbound. Apollo 14 gained lunar orbit early on February 4th. After Shepard and Mitchell climbed into Antares, the astronauts descended to a hilly area known as Frau Maro. Shepard and Mitchell were on the moon for 33 hours. In that time, they made 2 EVAs, or extravehicular activities, commonly known as moonwalks, lasting 9 hours and 17 minutes. They collected 92 pounds of rocks and material and deployed scientific experiments. Just before re-entering Antares for the final time, Shepard unfurled a golf club-like device, dropped a dimpled ball on the surface, and smacked the golf ball 400 yards in the 1/6 lunar gravity. When Kitty Hawk and Antares met back up in lunar orbit, the concern was, would the docking succeed? Fortunately, the mating worked, and on the first attempt. Nine days after leaving Earth, Apollo 14 returned home. In addition to bringing back the lunar material, Roosa had carried hundreds of tree seeds with him, of pine, sycamore, sweet gum, redwood, and Douglas fir. Roosa's old employer, the Forest Service, germinated and nurtured the trees, then dispersed them around the United States for the 1976 bicentennial. Known as moon trees, a 2-foot sycamore came to the International Space Hall of Fame in Alamogordo. During the facility's dedication in October 1976, astronaut Dr. Robert Parker made a symbolic presentation. Once landscaping was completed, the tree was acquired and planted in the Astronaut Memorial Garden. Unfortunately, the tree later died during a drought.